Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Today we're going to be making the marination for tikka. So it goes in chicken tikka, we put it in some fish dishes as well, we marinate meat with it. So what we're going to need is 1 teaspoon of salt, half a litre of yogurt, which is about a pint, 3 teaspoons of garlic and ginger, 3 teaspoons of our desi style mixed powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Colmans mint sauce, 1 sprinkle of garam masala, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri paste, 1 teaspoon of Tikka Paste, 1.5 teaspoons of Tandoori Paste, 1.5 teaspoons of red colour, 1 teaspoon of yellow colour, 2 teaspoons of mustard oil, 1 slice of lemon, fresh lemon, 1 sprinkle of Methi. So it sounds like quite a lot. You can put it in any order and then you mix it really. So I've already got the yogurt in here, natural yogurt. So then we have our garlic and ginger paste, which I've shown you how to make. So 3 teaspoons of that. Then you have our desi style mixed powder. So about, I think 2.5 would actually do it for that quantity. Like I said, I might go up and down on the ingredients because I've never made such a small amount. So then I've got Colmans fresh garden mint sauce. Then we have our garam masala, our curry masala. Just a sprinkle, it's quite strong. Thanks for everybody that's been supporting our spices, been buying it, and that's been supporting my channel. The views are going up. So please feel free to comment, like, share, subscribe. Then we have our Kashmiri paste, just half a teaspoon. It's quite strong, so try and use less is better than more. So then we've got our tikka, 1.5. You can put 2 in there, 2 teaspoons. Okay. Then we have our tandoori paste, 1 whole teaspoon. And then our red colour, it's about 1 teaspoon. You may need a little bit more. This is what gives it the orangey colour in the tikka. And then our yellow colour, egg yellow colour, about 1 teaspoon. Because red colour I did put about 1.5 teaspoons of. Then we have our mustard oil, 2 teaspoons. Then we have a cut fresh lemon. Some people put lemon juice, which is I think perfectly fine, but we like to keep it fresh. So squeeze the juice in. And you've got a sprinkle of Methi in there. And I think I forgot to write it, but we do need a little bit of salt. It's about a teaspoon should do it. 3/4 of a teaspoon, just a little bit less. Put that in there. Like I said, it doesn't matter what order you put it in because it's all just going to get mixed up. And then we have and then you'll need a whisker. Keep whisking it until it's all mixed. So you can see it's starting to turn a little bit orange. So I'm going to need a little bit more colouring in there. So you want to put more red in there. So I put another couple of teaspoons of red in there. Remember, you want it quite strong, the taste and the colour, because it's going to marinate into the chicken. So it's going to lose some of the colouring and the flavour is going to dilute. So you will taste it at the end and I'll tell you how it should taste like. So whatever colour it is, just think it will get lighter once it soaks into the chicken. So we also make tandoori chicken with this. Okay, so I've added a bit more colour. So add more colour until it's quite a darky, sort of dark red colour. Whisk it, keep whisking it. Once it's all whisked, give it a taste. Yeah, so it should be very strong. You should have this like quite bitter taste. Don't think it's too strong because it will dilute into the chicken, and the taste and the colour will go down. So yeah, give it a taste. It should be bitter, quite bitter, lemony, salty taste. It should be strong. So don't think, oh no, this is going to be too strong. It will go in the chicken, or whatever you marinate with. We use it for fish as well, and then obviously it will dilute the taste. There you have it, a marination for tikka.